Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to use YouTube Shorts. YouTube has recently added this option. You can also create YouTube short videos by using this option. First of all, open YouTube application. Please watch the full video and also give a like. When you open YouTube application, then tap on plus icon below. You will see create a short option, so tap on this. You will see some options. By tapping on flip option, you can flip your camera from back to front and front to back. When you tap on speed option, you will see this interface. You can increase or decrease your video speed with this option. Now you can also set the timer. If you want to start your video from 3 seconds, tap on this. If you want to start from 10 seconds, tap on this, or 20 seconds. You can also change the duration of your video from 15 seconds to 1 minute. Now it is 1 minute. Now 15 seconds. By tapping on this, add music option is for adding the music to your video. YouTube has given these videos, these music. You can use the music in your video. Now if you tap on red button, your video will start and start recording. You can also add the video from gallery by tapping on this option. So I hope YouTube will add more options in the future, and I hope you will like this video, and please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Goodbye.